We're back in Paradise Place. I'm Phil.
I'm Jawahir.
And we're here today to talk to you a little bit about...
Helicopters.
Helicopters.
Yeah.
Inside? Is that not a little dangerous?
No.
Okay, tell me, why are we learning about helicopters?
What do you think is going to happen when I let it go?
It'll fall?
What made it fall?
Well, you did. What? You dropped it, but gravity pulled it down.
Yes.
Grand, I got that right. Whew.
So what do you think, how does a helicopter stay in the sky?
Okay, so if a helicopter's doing nothing, it would fall, but it has a spinning thing.
That's what we're going to make.
We're going to make a rotor propeller type thing?
Yeah.
Excellent. How are we going to do that?
I'm going to doing the card one, you can do the paper one.
You're going to do the card, I'm going to do paper, but what other bits do we need?
We also need paper clips to hold weight on it, just
Paper
so
clips
it
to
can
hold.
make it like twist a little bit.
Okay. And
Before we start,
yes.
did you know the paper clips make it like spin? Because without the paper clips, it would just go like...
Flop it down.
Yeah.
So it kind of helps it with a bit of weight to kind of just get it to go the
Yeah.
right way. Okay, so we're going to cut these out. So you can download these from the Curious Minds website. So we've cut out the middle bits, and then you're going to tell me where to cut. So there's a lot of dotted lines here that look very similar. Where do I cut?
First, you cut here.
Okay, so I cut along these two dotted lines.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm not going to cut my finger off like last time.
What?
Nothing. That was a health and safety issue it's fine. I have insurance now. Okay, so I've cut it. I cut that. You're nice and quick and neat, and I'm just slow and old.
No, you're not slow.
You could have said I'm not old as well. Thank you. Okay, right. I've got a bit. So it looks like
wait.
And then where do I cut now?
I need to just cut there.
Oh, you want to be perfect now. So yeah, okay, good. Yeah,
Okay.
good. Standards.
Then we have to cut through this line.
So the middle line here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I cut the middle line. And not all the way through, so just to the end where it stops. Okay, so I've made a pair of pants.
Yeah.
Okay?
But that's not what we're making.
Okay, now we're making. So then what do we
Okay.
do?
Then we have to fold this.
Down to the dotted line?
Yeah.
Okay, so folding to the dotted line one direction and then...
The other one, the opposite direction.
Okay, so on the other opposite direction. So, okay, now that I see what you're doing. So mine's
Okay.
not floppy, so I have that.
So we're going to try it now.
Okay, drop it. 3, 2, 1. Look at it a little bit.
Yeah.
So what can we do to make it better?
Add some paper clips.
It's almost as if she said this earlier on. Okay, so you got paper clips. Put one on. Just one or two, or how many?
Feel free.
Feel free. Just experiment and have a bit of fun. Love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I put some on. Okay, so you're gonna stand up behind and maybe try this a little bit. You stand up there. It might. See, okay, if you stand. Okay, so you ready? You're gonna
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Okay, yours worked a little bit better than mine. Okay, will we try one more time? 3, 2, 1. That's definitely spinning and working. Will we go next door and see what the class has done?
Yeah.
The excitement is here. Let's go. We are here in the classroom and we're going to test how our helicopters work. Now, everybody is on chairs. Be careful. Make sure you're safe. I'm going to hand over to you to do the countdown.